Welcome back, YouTube. I hope you are all doing well. Let's begin our next challenge, level 9. The goal for this level is to retrieve the password stored in the file data.txt, stored in one of the few human-readable strings, preceded by several equal to characters. Human-readable isn't very specific. What they mean should be text strings. Let's head over to the terminal. As always, we first want to see what is available to us. So we use the list command. We see the file that we want. Let's read it to know what we are dealing with. As expected, this file is not like the others we encountered, and we'll need to filter it to display only the text, or as they call it, human-readable strings. To do this, we'll use the strings command. Strings prints the sequences of printable characters in files, which is exactly what we want. So the first part of our command will be this. Next, we want to search for equal signs. As the question specified, the password is preceded by them. Remember, to search in the output of a command, we will use the grep command. So our second part will be this. Finally, we combine the two parts together by using a pipeline. As indicated, we just retrieved our password. Let's log out by either typing logout, exit, or Ctrl D. We log in to the next level with the password we just obtained. We successfully logged in. To register our completion of level 9, we type the reachal command. Everything is successfully synchronized. Let's verify on the reachal website. We update. Congratulations on completing level 9. You rock! Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date with our next achievements